Hey YouTube, what's up? This is Vex, and today we're going to be unboxing and perhaps doing a review of the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. I actually bought these in like new condition off of Amazon for a great deal of $85. So I am going to unbox these. As you can see, the box isn't in a great condition, and that's because it was in like new condition. That just means that it's also unopened. So like these are the original stickers, I'm pretty certain. On the top and the bottom. I don't think they're reapplied. Moving on, today we're going to be unboxing this, so let's get right into it. You can read the back while I get my knife out here. Okay, it's an old knife, 3 years old. This is like plastic, it's really cheap, but this is metal, so obviously it's a knife. Get right into the unboxing and just cut right in. Okay, but whatever. Okay, so it has 11 hours playtime. That's just with the earbuds alone, and then 22 hours in total if you combine that with the case, because the case can hold about an 11-hour charge as well. It's two-way speakers for sound, triple mics for clear voice call, and it's QI compatible, so you can actually wirelessly charge the iPods. Whoops, you can actually wirelessly charge the Buds case. Okay. It looks like it's in good condition to me. How's that to you guys? I'm just going to take these out. Okay. Up here somewhere, right there. There's not much else in here. Well, that was pretty loose. Anyways, this is where they put all the extra bud tips and the wingtips. Put this back on there. Set this to the side. So I'm going to open this up first to see what's going on in here. Oh, and they put the charging cable. What am I thinking? It's a USB Type-C. So this thing actually has USB Type-C, which I am super happy about, as you can see right there. And to popular belief, this case, I mean, it is this glossy, like, fingerprint-ridden. Like, you can already see my fingerprints on it, I think. Yeah, look at that. You can see my fingerprints all on there. But aside from that, like, it feels nice. Has this nice tapping. I hope I didn't break it by tapping on it. Should be more robust than that. But yeah, it's pretty small. It's like a pill. I'm gonna set that there and then take out this while I'm at it. Those are the wingtips, the extra wingtips and the extra bud tips. Yeah, this is the cable. I don't know how long it is. It doesn't say on here. It's pretty nice. It's not bad. I mean, it feels strong. It's USB Type-C, as you can see. USB Type-C, as you can see. And then it's USB Type-C to Type A. So that's pretty convenient. I'm just going to set this to the side. It's kind of in the way. We're going to get straight into unboxing or opening up these buds. On the top here, you can see, but it says Sound by AKG right underneath of the Samsung logo. Let's open them right up. And here you have the buds. It orientates it left and right. And then the buds are right there. Take one out. Whoa, you can feel... That's cool. You can feel the magnetism in it. That's kind of cool. So I just wanted to real quick test the magnetism of the buds. So as you can see, they're staying in there pretty well. They feel pretty nice when you put them in there. They kind of fall into place. You don't even have to worry about it. The magnetism is fantastic. But yeah, now I'm going to try just... Well, that one came out. I don't want to break them, of course. So I'm going to put them in my hand. But they're able to fall out pretty easily if you really shook it. Let me try that again. So one came out. Seems like the left one really likes to stay in there compared to the right one. Yeah, twice in a row the right one decided to fall out sooner than the left one. But yeah, that's the magnetism. The magnet test to see if they fall out very easily. So a regular shake doesn't seem to, but the right one does seem more prone to falling out. Like it's the one shaking. Yeah, the right one's the one that's mainly shaking when I shake it. So, and falling out. Okay, just don't break for me. I just bought you. I don't want you to die. I would really cry. So now I'm going to show you guys that you can actually get the app on the Google Play Store. So all you have to do is type in Samsung or just Galaxy Buds is all I typed in. Saw the first thing right here. Samsung or not, but I'm going to install this one here. Has 100 million, so it must be, right? Oh. Seems like they have quite a few negative reviews about the app. So, all you got to do is open the Amazon wearable app, right? So let's get started, right? Actually, you know what? I'm gonna scan for nearby devices. After you click scan for nearby devices, all you gotta do is open your earbuds up, right? And there they are, right there. As you can see, they popped up right there. So I'm gonna click that. Now it says connecting. And then it says allow access to your contacts and call history, pair. You need the plugin to control your earbuds with okay. Oh, okay. So I'm just gonna install this plugin then. That's it. I'm just gonna go back to the app. Forgive me for the reflections and stuff. Continue. You agree to the end user license agreement. You can check whatever. I don't really care, so I'm gonna do that. Wants to access my contacts, my calendar, my phone logs. I guess you need that for earbuds, but okay. Yeah, you can go ahead and read my notifications. So, what happened? Okay, so I'm back in here. I'm gonna press continue. Notification access? Huh? There you go. So now if we go back, continue. Stay in touch with your surroundings. Start Spotify with your earbuds. Alright, cool. So we set them up. Get to know your earbuds. It looks like neither of them are charged, which doesn't... There's a lot of cool features in here. Like you can change the equalizer to change how they sound. Well, I'm just gonna keep that on normal for now so you can hear that sounds. You can, there's a bunch of stuff. Like if you want to reset it because they're acting funky or something, you can find my earbuds and then turn that on and it'll play a chirping sound. You can do a software update like that. Yep, looks like I do need to update it, so I'm probably gonna do that right after this. An ambient sound, you can turn that on and off. You can also do that through the earbuds. You can customize the touch control. So like for instance, the tap, there's pause and play. You can change this right here, right, to ambient sound, volume up, Spotify. And this one's double tapping. So you can see what happens when you double tap. If you turn it up, triple tap, touch and hold, etc. You can figure it out if you get these earbuds. It's pretty self-explanatory, but I'm going to show you something else. If you go down here to labs, you can enable double tap earbud edge and extra high ambient volume. When you select both of those, this one basically allows you to lets you touch there on your earbuds. So right on the side of your earbuds, it lets you tap, and you can turn the volume up or down. The right one is up, and the left one is down. And then the extra high ambient volume basically just adds another level to your ambient volume. As you can see right there, it goes 1, 2, 3, and 4. There was only 3 before. As you can see, if I turn it off, there's only 3 there, right? 1, 2, and 3. If I go back down, turn it on, just adds another level of ambient sound, which is basically so you don't talk super loud when you're on the phone or something like that. And you can hear your surroundings while you have the earbuds in. It like sends a feed in of the outside audio. So that's about everything for the app. There's a few other advanced things, like you use ambient sound during phone calls, so it'll automatically turn on ambient sound for you when you go onto a phone call. There's earbuds software update, and then manual and tips down there at the bottom. So there's not a whole lot aside from what I showed you, but there's a lot of customization. So I'm going to go ahead and download and install the update that it needs. Go ahead and do that. Yeah, I'm going to install that now. Oh, they have to be at least 15%? Okay, so I guess I'm just going to leave the earbuds to charge for now. It looks like they're not charging, or it thinks that they're out of the case. So I'm going to go ahead and figure that out and then pick up the video from there. First, wanted to show you guys how to install the Wingtips and the Bud tips, okay? It's pretty straightforward. Okay, so let's go right into it. So basically, this is just like any other standard suctioned earbud tip, right? You just kind of take it and you just wedge it off like that. Comes right off. It's not that hard to take off, but it's pretty hard to come off in your ear, so don't worry about that unless they come loose over time. But this product, I'm assuming, has decent silicone. It's not going to stretch or for a while, so it should stay on. Anyways, I'm going to put on the large ones and see how those feel. So this is the right earbud, so I'm going to take the right earbud silicone tip. I don't think either tip matters on which side you go on, but all you got to do is kind of wedge it on there. As you can see, there's a little hole there. This thing has a little rim around the edge to grip it. And then I'm just going to okay. I was able to do this before, but now it's not working as easily, so let me try this. Alright, I got it on there. See that? Simple. We got it right around the edge there, and it's just going to stay in there. Now let's put on the wing. So as you can see right here, there's a little piece that kind of looks, it's like glossy right in there. It's a little wedge almost. So to take off the earbud wingtip, all you have to do is take it and then go like this, and it'll just come right off. So I'm going to put in the right one, which is larger, alright? Larger than the medium one. And we're going to go ahead and try and line these up, like so. Flip it over, and then line them up. So you can see the little clip pieces there. Probably can't see it that well because of the lighting, but Then there's the hole. Let's line it up and just kind of scoot it down. Scoot it down. Scoot it down. Scoot it down. It's not completely lined up, so I'm going to kind of rotate it. Earbuds making sounds now. Yeah, it looks about right. Alright, so that's how you install the wingtips and the earbud tips. Hey, so you want to know another cool thing I found out I can do with these earbuds? This little thing right here, this Bluetooth TP-Link dongle. It's the UB400. It's a Bluetooth dongle that you plug into your PC. And I was able to Bluetooth my earbuds, the Galaxy Buds Plus, to my PC and actually use them. And I was able to pause, play, turn up volume. And I thought that was awesome, an awesome feature. You can still use ambient sound and all the buttons and stuff on here while you're using them on your PC, which is just insane. It's awesome, isn't it? This thing only cost me like, I think, $10? Yeah, $9.99. It was on sale, but it's on sale like all the time. And I chose this one over the Acer version because Acer version looked kind of cruddy up here. It looked like old plastic and just ugly. So I wanted one that looked clean and seamless, so that's why I got this one. But I definitely recommend the TP-Link Bluetooth 4.0 little dongle for your PC. Okay guys, so overall I really enjoyed unboxing these. It wasn't a crazy experience or anything like that, but it was pretty enjoyable. I liked how they lined these up, the earbud tips, and they didn't just put them in a bag all like mixed up and stuff. You kind of know these are smalls, these are large, and mediums are on the buds themselves. I really appreciated that in their packaging. Aside from that, the case, you know, it's glossy and it already has billions and billions of fingerprints all over it, but it's really nice. It feels strong. It feels like a whole case. Although the hinge, you know, it's not metal. It's not a metal hinge. It's just plastic, I'm pretty sure. Plastic hinge, which is sort of disappointing, but it is satisfying to close. I mean, it's not like AirPods satisfying, but it is satisfying. That's weird. It kind of just doesn't close. It's weird. It's like a weird hinge. It's like it can just stay open right there. I don't know if that's a defect in mine, but they're nice so far. I charged them up a bit. This one's at like, except for they weren't charging evenly. That's a thing. This one charged to like 74%, and this one was at 55%, which was kind of weird. I don't know if that's just like, you know, by chance, because they were both, one was at 2%, one was at 0%. So I had to charge one or the other. Anyways, when you get them, you might have to update them. They might not be updated, so you just got to go into the app like so. You might have to click that and then click on your buds there on the list. But all you got to do is scroll down and then click on earbuds software update, and then click download install. Wait, oh, they disconnect. So you have to have them open when you're doing this, otherwise it won't connect. And a plus, I forgot to mention, I love how seamlessly these connect to your phone. Literally, I just open them like this, bop, and they connect within seconds. It's insane. And the other plus is, you know, being able to connect them to my computer and use them on my computer and be able to use the volume control and all that cool stuff. Anyways, to update them, you go to earbuds software update. It's pretty self-explanatory. Download, install, and then as you can see, my software is up to date because I already updated it, so I don't need to. But there will be an install, then you press install, and then install now, and then just let it update. Don't close your buds case because it will cancel the install. So you have to leave them open. And you can't update if they're lower than 15%, each of the buds. I don't know about the case. It didn't really tell me because my case was at 50%. The sound quality is pretty good. Yeah, it's better than my earbuds, like my wired earbuds that I had. No, it's probably on par with the OnePlus earbuds, the USB Type-C ones. But yeah, they're on par, I would say. They're nice. Ambient sound, it was nice. You know, you can tell it's ambient sound. It doesn't sound like real life when you open it. Like, you can tell. But hearing yourself is really weird, but it's really clear. So I didn't have much issue like other people do with ambient sound. I thought it was okay. For the equalizer, I kept it on normal because there was a difference between dynamic and normal. I could hear it, but it wasn't significant that I really needed to change. Like, I need that extra sound quality. So for average consumer, I don't think it's a big deal. Honestly, I would just keep it on normal because it saves battery life, because I heard that with dynamic, you only get like 9 instead of 11. The difference between dynamic and normal isn't that big, so I don't really have much to complain about. But I usually don't play around at full volume or play at full volume while I'm using these. They don't really need to be. They're pretty loud as is. But compared to my earbuds, I always had at like 80 to 90%. So these ones definitely win compared to the OnePlus earbuds. These ones right here, I'll show you them while I'm at it. So these ones, the ones that got mangled, I mean, they work completely fine, just the cord got, you know, mangled. This is what they look like. This right one, you know, this. I also had an issue with these where they would come off when I'm wearing them, like that, right? Easy peasy. I think it's the left ones that I have this issue with. Well, not right now. They seem to be staying for some reason. But with these, I'm hoping that that doesn't happen, you know? Like, no matter how hard I pull it, they just don't come off, like, by that. And I don't want them to get loose, which so far they've proven that they don't. And I really appreciate that. As for the connection distance, I don't think that they're that bad at all. Like, I was able to walk across my house with these connected to my phone. But when I used the dongle on my PC, the Bluetooth 4.0, they weren't able to connect very far. I was only able to walk into my hallway or to my door without getting like connection issues from like interference with a wall or other electronics in my house and frequencies, stuff like that. So overall, I'd rate these probably an 8 out of 10 on the scale of, are these a good consumer product? Yeah. They're kind of good. They're well-rounded, I would say, compared to a lot of other earbuds. Now, I haven't tested the sound quality or anything to other earbuds, but I can tell you that these have great sound quality for the price compared to other competitors. So the final verdict is 8 out of 10, and I definitely recommend you pick up these if you can find them on sale or for a really good deal. That's kind of the same thing. Anyways, if you can find them for a really good deal, I definitely recommend picking them up. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm going to go enjoy these earbuds some more. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.